Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Google Earth Pro or the web app and signing in. This makes saving and editing easier. Next, navigate directly to the imagery containing the text you want removed and zoom so the text fills most of the screen. Make sure to enable the best imagery date and 3D layers, because the higher the resolution, the less artifacting later. Once done, capture a high-resolution screenshot or export the image layer if Pro allows it, so you have a working copy to edit. Now, import your exported image into an image editor like Photoshop or GIMP and duplicate the base layer to preserve the original. Use the clone stamp and healing brush to paint over the text, sampling nearby pixels to match color and texture. This is why high-resolution source matters. Make small, feathered selections and work at 100% zoom for edges, then step back at 25% to check overall continuity. Once comfortable, use subtle dodge and burn to blend tonal differences so edits are invisible. Finally, save your edited file, and if your editor supports it, preserve georeferencing or export with original dimensions to avoid scale shift. In Google Earth Pro, add or replace the image overlay and align corners with the base map. Use opacity to fine-tune alignment. Once done, save the KML/KMZ with the new overlay. If things go wrong, clear Google Earth cache and re-import, because stale tiles or cache can show the old text. Repeating alignment after cache clear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.